Hi there, young experts. Welcome to our fun-filled adventure. Today we are going to learn about something amazing. Polly the parrot, colorful and bright, lives in a tree with a view so light. She loves to swag and flap her wings and make new friends with her playful rings. Her feathers shine like a rainbow in the sky, green, blue, and yellow as she flies by. She is curious and clever with the heart so true. Polly the parrot, a friend for me and you. She will repeat your words with a giggle and a grin and make you laugh with her silly pet spin. So let's be kind to this bird so rare and give her love with a gentle care. Thanks for joining us and don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.